Hello and welcome to Low Budget Gaming, and welcome to a quick unboxing video for the OneOdio DJ Pro 50 headphones. So I got these just today. I've been trying to get hold of these, but whenever I was in the market to get one, they were always out of stock. So let's just quickly open them up. We just have the headsets in a bag. We have the audio cable. I'm not a fan of these sort of telephone style cables, but those are the ones we get. We also have the warranty card and the manual. You get 2 years warranty with this one. And that is the manual with all the technical details. That aside, and yeah, let's open up the headphones. So like I said, the bag is really good quality, and inside we have the headsets, and they have this nice sort of red stitching, and they look really good, very high quality. Look how comfortable, how soft, and how thick the foam, like the ear cups are. Really impressive. And they sort of swivel backwards in like a 90 degrees, and you can also rotate them sideways. Yeah, and you can see inside the cups it's got L and R stitched on the insides of the ear cups, so left and right for your headset, because I did not see it anywhere else. Let's just connect the cable. I'm guessing they have two cables depending on what you're using it with, and we're just going to plug it in here. I'll obviously use it for a few days, and if you want, I'll make a review. But so far it looks really good. Only thing that I don't like is the cable, as you can tell, but the headsets itself, they are very comfortable. The bag is really good for carrying around, and as I said, it's got a 24-month warranty, which it says on the bag as well. So there you have it. I'll put the link below if you want to check it out, but this is something I really wanted. One of the best sort of budget studio headsets around.